Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this yummy, delicious, stress-free moi moi without peeling the back. So if you have not heard that before, you are going to watch it here today. So let's get into the main video. So here is my beans. I use brown beans for this. So I'll be soaking the beans overnight. You can as well soak it for like 2 to 3 hours, but I'll be soaking mine overnight. So here is my beans. This is the next day. So I'll be washing it very thoroughly and get rid of the dirty before grinding it. You can see I didn't wash the back away. So this back of beans is very nutritious to our body. Stop wasting it. Leave it there. Your moi moi is going to come out very nice and sweet. Delicious. I can bet you that. Try it and let me know in the comment section. So here is my well cleaned beans with the red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, onions, ginger and garlic, and a little bit of shombo. So I'll be blending it to paste. So here is my ingredients that I'll be using for this moi moi. So Maggi seasoning, salt, crayfish, groundnut oil, eggs and sardine fish. You can use anything of your choice, and we are going to be using moi moi leaf to tie this. So that is my pot. I cover it with moi moi leaf so that my moi moi will not have contact with the water. So I'll be adding in hot water. Just add water to the texture that you like. As for me, I don't like soft moi moi. I like it hard a little bit. So I won't be adding much water to my own. You can as well make your commercial moi moi this way. It will come out delicious. Your customer or your client is going to love it. And now moi moi will be going to the fire to cook for like 40 minutes. Here it's all done. Guys, come and enjoy with me. So I've made the akara version of this without peeling my beans. So it's on my channel. You can check it out. So you don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to wash the back. You are washing the nutrients away. If you have watched to this extent, please guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. To our new subscriber, I really appreciate. See you all in my next one. Bye.